Hello everyone. This is the first video I'll be doing today, and this is a how to draw video. And so I'm gonna start drawing Charizard. So you just start like this. Okay, next up you just draw the eye right here. Okay, then next you just draw here. Okay. Next you just draw this line here. Try not to get it too slanted, otherwise it gets messed up. Okay, next up you just draw the head. Okay, so you just draw here. Here's the nose. Next you draw the teeth. Next you just draw the horn. The horn that's over here. You just draw this. Okay, you just draw back here. Next thing, you have to draw the neck right here. Okay, so I'm better off doing this like this. That's much better. Okay, next thing you just gotta draw the stomach. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Next you just draw the leg. Here, Charizard has like 3 toes, so we'll just draw these. Next you draw the other leg here. Then you just draw this toe, then this toe, and there. And here's the... Okay, so... There we go. There's the head. Here's Charizard's its arm here. Just draw this. There's the hand. Next you draw the wing. Okay, so you just do this. Okay, next you just do this down here. Silly me, forgot to do this. There's the folds. Next, you just draw the tail. Now, when you're drawing Charizard's tail, you have to draw the fire that's in his tail. You need to draw the fire that's on it. So you just draw this. And then you draw the yellow part right in the middle. Then you draw the other arm right here. Then you just draw the wing. Okay, for the flapping, you just add this stuff here. Just gonna mold it right here and add a few features to it. And basically, that's about it. That's how you draw Charizard, folks. Good day.